Hello YouTube, back at it again. I'm just sitting here in my garden and I'm gonna test her now. Yesterday we were fiddling around with oxygen screw and we had got a real low running, about 600 RPMs, has to be 900 I think, when in park or when in drive. So now is the next day, we're gonna do a cold start and see if she starts up normally without throttling her. So, un momento por favor, and I want to take you with me on that one. The thing is, I gotta do a mic. I got one mic in my head, on my head, as you could see. So I'll take you with me on this one, see how she starts. So, un momento. I think I'm gonna put the mic here. I'm gonna put the camera here. Oh la la. Like this, boys and girls. Let's see how she does. When it's hot, een beetje clammy. Ooh, hot. It's about 30 degrees, guys. Switch it over to benzine. If necessary, a little bit of throttle. C'est très bien. I got my socks on. Oh, she's 1500 now. Guys, un momento por favor. I'm gonna take it for a little drive. Okay guys, let's go. See, and yesterday I did it on I tuned her on dinges, on LPG. She schommelt very slow. And she's slowing down now. Started up as about 1300 and yesterday she was running 600ish. A little drive with the dual mic. Hope she hangs in here. A little bit like this. Seatbelts on. You can hear her run a little bit. It's almost the temperature. Just a little stroll, boy. We're testing the audio. Now she runs. If she doesn't cut off, if she's not running too low, and her temperature. was too low. Here she's running. It's too low. Now she's gonna fluctuate. Now we're gonna put her up a little bit. Take you with me on that one. She's fluctuating. Now she's standing in park. Almost cutting out. I gave her a half turn. So now we got acceptable oil pressure. You can see on the oil pressure level that the engine is fluctuating in RPMs. Need to Gemini that one. And I need to get some. So that's it. That is what she did. But this is good. See ya? How low she goes? 600. I need to be parking 900. This is 850. A little bit more. Water. She's fluctuating a little bit. And I put her in drive. Ah, nice. Well guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna upload this one, drink some coffee, and see how it did work out. So, thank you very much. See you in the next ride.